2017.
Right. Cut the clip. Cut. Start again. Right. You didn't start again, did you?
Yeah, I did.
2017 bike check. Got BSD Soulja frame in surplus green. 21.2. Don't know the back end, but should be right. Pretty good frame. And just get the seat out of the way. Got just the Fit Whiteco seat post. We've got the BSD Reed Star giraffe seat to suit the giraffe neck. And then we have the BSD headset in polished. And then we have our Fly roadie. Is that right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, Fly Bikes roadie stem. It's a pretty good stem. And then I've got my old BSD Raider bars. They're 10 inches higher, and I cut them down to be 27 instead of 29. And then we have the Federal 22 forks. They're pretty good. Then we have a Eclat blind front hub and Eclat pulse front hub guard. 2 Eclat Venom pegs in 4 inches. Then we have some DT Swiss spokes and custom painted G-Sport ribcage rim. And we have the Eclat fireball tyres in gum or chocolate or whatever they're called. And then we have Odyssey grips. I don't know exactly what they are. And then we have Stranger Crocs cranks, 175 millimeters. We have some Fly Reuben, I think they are, pedals in brown. And Eclat AK sprocket, 28 tooth. BSD 19 something. Jake will fix that up later, you know. And yeah, pretty much same, exactly same back end. You idiot. Same back end, clap blind, free coaster, left hand drive, pretty good. Apparently you can switch it from coaster to cassette, left hand and right hand. And yeah, let's get some clips.